Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So, if you're seeing this, you know what day it almost is, and it's almost giveaway day for a thanks giveaway. So what do you need to do to win the giveaways? Well, on Instagram, I'm going to be posting pictures for 5 days in a row, one picture each day of what the giveaway for that day is. And it's going to say day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under each of those pictures, you need to like the picture and post in the comment section what you're thankful for and be subscribed to me on Instagram. So the second part of this is YouTube. And on YouTube, you need to be subscribed to me on YouTube. This video is going to be posted on YouTube. You need to like this video and also to comment below this video on what you're thankful for. And that is basically it. That's all you need to do. I will compile everything, all of the winners, and draw on Saturday, and I will announce them on Sunday. So stay tuned for that. I will announce the winners on Instagram. So you have to be able to get a DM from me, get a public DM. So that's all that you need to do. Good luck to you all, and I will catch you on the next one.